Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. A little before video of what these awesome taillights from stock look like. Lit up, not much to them. Today we're going to be taking these stock 2022-2023 taillights out, and we're going to be replacing them with some aftermarket taillights. First step is we're going to take out these two Torques, which are T15s, correct?
T15.
Okay, so you're going to have those on the driver's side and the passenger side. Two T15s right there. That's what he's taking out right now on this side, on the driver's side. And that's what they look like when they come out. Okay, and then you're gonna pull it right out. And then we're gonna unplug that harness. Oh, there's one. You got it okay? You want me to get a screwdriver? You got one more. Got an LED in it. So this is what you're gonna screw this on and then unplug this. You're gonna push out the red part right here and then push this out and unplug it. And then there will be the factory taillight exposed so that we can plug the new taillight into here. These are the new taillights from, I'm gonna try to pronounce this, Sanooer. I'm hoping I'm saying that right, S-A-N-O-E-R. These are the new taillights for 19 and up Silverado. We're gonna unbox these. Oh my God, they even give him stickers. Beavis, you get stickers, buddy. Look at them stickers, man.
Stickers.
Those are nice. Those are actually really cool. Isn't that neat? The pamphlet on these. Wiring diagram as well. It's pretty cool that they give you that. Oh, you got to put resistors in here. Imagine that.
I need some resistors.
So you're gonna have to wire resistors in. I did not know that. I thought it'd be plug and play, but if your factory taillight is LED type, you don't need to connect the resistor. Well, we don't have the, we are LED type, so we should be good without the resistor. So that's awesome. Off with the diagram, I'm plugging this shorter harness in to our bottom harness here. And then I believe that that's gonna plug, this part goes into that part there. I'm pretty sure. I'm not quite sure on this. This is very confusing. It's not very detailed because it's not quite showing us. The only thing it gives us is if you run the resistor packs or if you don't run the resistor packs. So underneath the truck, there's a main connection harness right there that he is taking apart. If you see that, that is where the brake is going to be, that you're going to brake, and then you'll plug in this newer harness right here so that you can extend this up and plug it in. All right, so you want to show that connector? That's the connector that he just pulled down from up there. So that's the connector that we're gonna need to basically connect this harness here to it so that we can run this new harness up to there. this one right here, is going to extend up and plug into there because you're extending it at the breaking point.
This part right here runs down, and it runs up here. Here, let me sit out camera. All right, so, God. All right.
Just broke my camera.
All right, so right here, it comes from the back of the tail light. It goes down. If you follow the line right here all the way across,
You want me to run this up through?
comes through here, comes around, comes down.
All right.
Right here, that plugs right into there.
See that?
So,
I'm just gonna leave this harness here because we're not taking it out permanently.
so on that right here, on the harness, the factory harness has these little plugs right here that has a little like clip on it. You squeeze them together, you're able to pull it out. They're ones. Let me get the camera right here. Let me get a light up here. There you go. You see that one right there, and then the other one is right there, and it comes down to the little wire right here, and it plugs in right there. So the new wire that we're running is right here. You run it through here. Come out right here. Okay, goes down and it plugs into this right here. And then once you get it plugged in, the little red safety right here, you push it back up and it locks it in place.
And then now that this harness is up here, this leaves us our two plugs here to be able to plug into these two plugs here.
One's right here. This one's this one right here.
Okay.
Plugs in right here. And this right here plugs into the back of that right there.
Yeah, plugs in right here. So what do we plug in here? No resistor pack?
No resistor pack because it's LED.
Okay, so we're gonna plug into here, and then we're gonna take the two blue wires, and we're gonna plug into right there. Just gotta be real careful. You're pulling it off of back here. You wanna be really careful. You pull this red part out, and then you push right here. I kept trying to push here, but you actually wanna push right here. It's weird. It's just got a small, very small clip right there. You just push down, and then it will pull out. That way, there's a clip right here underneath that you can just clip it and then push it through. But I figured it out after being not so smart for a while. Okay, and then this bad boy, we'll just plug right into there. Boom, that's in. I'm not gonna click it in because we're just putting this in for testing purposes. And then this bad boy is gonna plug into the taillight. So we're gonna plug that in. Okay, so we got everything in ready to go. These look really nice. Wow, those look way better. Makes a big difference.
Brake light.
Okay, here's our brake light. Wow, those look nice. Wow, those look good. These look really nice.
Turn signal. Should be turning.
Now it is.
Oh, now. Look, real fast.
Okay, might have taken a couple times to do it, but there's the turn signal. Here's the tail light without any LEDs. We went ahead and went with the smoked. I think those look the best personally. Just blacked out. Looks super clean. Let's do a comparison. This is the new tail light. And then over here, that is the stock tail light. So that way you can kind of see the difference. You want to go ahead and light them up. There's the stock tail light. And there's the new aftermarket. Much better. Much better.
it.